Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me. Today I want to talk about something that I feel a lot of women kind of chat about. It's makeup. It's my passion. I do love makeup, but I do love to keep it simple. And so I was okay, how can I get people who normally don't or feel overwhelmed or just want cut down on the time to do makeup, you still want this nice glamour look, but you want, maybe half the products and half the time. So I'm gonna teach you something or show you something that's helpful for me. I'm gonna give you 5 essential things that you need to give you a glam look. Okay, it's probably gonna be a little subtle. I will, level up each time I do it. Number 1, eyeshadow. Number 2, foundation. Eyeliner. It's just my baby, it's my lover, and I need it. A little lip, a little plum red, kind of spice it up. You gotta have some type of boldness. And then last but not least, mascara. Probably a girl's best friend. So yeah, those are the 5 things that I think that can give you that look of that feel of being fabulous, darling. But it's half the time, it's half the products, and it just makes it easier and makes you take your time into the leap of that it is makeup. Here we go. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started. It's you. Do I got peas? No. Odie bitty. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow. Most people probably would start with the foundation, but that's like my cherry on top. It's like the finished piece. You almost realize that if you have good skincare, then you won't really need that much foundation. But if you love foundation, do your thing. I'm not trying to shame it, but I'm just trying to say that it's just the cherry on top for me. Alright, so for these colors, I'm thinking if I'm gonna go with this theme, this mustard neutral theme, I want my eyes to pop. So I'm gonna use this reddish, brownish, pinkish shimmer concoction color. Okay, so we're gonna put this on the lid. Oh, side note, as you can see, your girl doesn't need brushes, okay? I use my fingers, and you're like, what, girl? Why? That's kind of disgusting. A little rich. But I think it blends the colors better, and I could just not be using brushes enough to know if it does or if it doesn't. But for me, it's just, I love the combination. I love how it just feels as I'm putting the colors on. It's almost like I'm painting a canvas, kind of like finger paint, something like that. So let's continue. So yeah, I'm gonna add this to my lid. Okay, look at this color. It's everything to me. All right. So since I started with that one, I do want my eyes to be bold, and I'm gonna work my way up to like a nice goldish, creamish, pinkish color at the top. Okay, so next up, I'm probably gonna use like this smoky brown, and with this number right here, you guys can see, bam and bam. All right, and you can see it's already turning to something else, so we just kind of do that. Okay, we'll go next to this one. And we're gonna put that in the between both, because I like the red, but I don't want it to be my main focus, so I'm toning it down. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna use this bad boy. That's gonna be almost like a primer as I add a couple more shades. So remember, we're already at 3 shades. I told you, level up, level up, level up. Okay, I'm gonna add that to the rest of the upper eye. And don't make one finger do all the job. As you can see, I gave everybody a free chance, okay? Pinky might get in here too, okay? The whole hand might be in use. It works. 2 more shades. So now we're gonna be at 6. I know I said 5, but okay, things change. So next up, I'm thinking I'm going to use this one. As you can see, it's like a taupe color, like a beige shimmer. And then last but not least, I'll finish with this. It's kind of like a light cream gold. I'm going to use that to finish up the top of the eye. I'm also going to use it as corners, just to also almost like an eye primer, just to make your eyes stand out a little bit more. Next up will probably be my eyeliner. I'm a sucker for a good eyeliner. You can use any brand. This is just a simple LA Colors. I mean, it's not any fancy, so you can just use anything as long as you give that definition to your eyes. Before and after. And girl, we haven't got to the eyebrows yet. Let me just show you, okay? This is like every day, but because I only use 5, I would add in normally a eyebrow pencil because you want to fill in the eyebrows a little bit more. But I'm going to show you a trick that I use with mascara. Now, I'm going to do my eyebrows with the same mascara. Make sure that you, if you can, try to get as much off of the brush as possible. That way you won't have clumps and that's not going to look cute. So you almost just brush your eyebrows with this. And as you can see, it's filling it out just nicely, naturally at that. So this is just in case you want to lessen and not use an eye pencil. I do use both just to fill it out more. But this is kind of like, you know, everyday, of course. Everyday glam. And so, like a primer underneath, kind of bolster the eyes out. I'm probably going to use, I've already used this one. I'm going to keep that same color. We've used eye palette. We've used mascara. And we've used eyeliner, right? 3 of the 5. So we have 2 left. Next up is foundation. I'm a very oily person, so I'm always, you know, shining. Shining. Get it? Because I'm always shining. Get it? Hopefully, honey. I'm trying to shine bright like a diamond. So, so far so good. 4th, foundation. And then last but not least, lipstick. I'm gonna do a plum. I think it just works really nicely. And it's the boldness. As you guys can see, I think this is nice. Oh, also, because I didn't have a bronzer and I still want my cheeks to be highlighted a little bit, you can go back with the same palette. That's why eye palettes are amazing, because you can use eyeshadow for like lipsticks if I wanted to, for, you know, a bronzer. I mean, you just do wonders with it. I bet you're like, girl, you're using eyeshadow for everything. Yes, I'm a multitasker, multi-user, and multi-talented. Okay, I'm all of it. I think this is your everyday glam, and I think it's something that's totally doable. I use 5 things and I accomplish this look. And this is the neutral look. It's not even the bold, and I feel like, okay, this is enough. I've done enough. I'm impressed. I look good, and it was simple. So, thanks for watching, guys. Tune in. I have more good stuff, all kind of goodies for you to come in the future. But thanks for joining me. Subscribe, like, comment on what you think. And yeah, stay safe. Bye.
Sometimes you are Beyonce, sometimes you are Michelle. No, it's gonna help you.